guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you a yummy rose body butter with 3 all-natural skin-loving ingredients that are customizable just for you. I hope you enjoy my recipe, and please don't forget to subscribe. I release a variety of new content every Wednesday. The first ingredient is rose oil, then shea butter and avocado oil. I'll list on my blog different oils for your skin type. This one is jojoba diluted, but I'll post more potent options for rose oil in the description box below. Simply melt a 1/4 cup of shea butter. Add it to a bowl with 2 tablespoons of your avo oil. Give it a mix and chill it in the fridge for about an hour or 2. When it's solidified, I break it up with my mixer and then I add in 30 to 40 drops of my rose oil. Mix it all up again and you're done. If you're in a warmer climate like me, you'll need less oil or more shea butter. This melts to the touch and deeply moisturizes with the beautiful scent of roses. It's said to be a natural aphrodisiac and contains antioxidants for healthy skin. Tag me on Instagram at @squishymonster if you create this or any of my other recipes, and don't forget to subscribe for more episodes. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you next Wednesday with a new video.